Caramilk fudge slice, let's go! Last time I made the milk chocolate version, it got nearly 500,000 views and the Daily Frickin' Mail wrote an article about it. So let's do the Caramilk version. You're going to need this, this and this. Add 400 grams of Caramilk to a pan and add 1 can of condensed milk. Keep stirring until that comes together. Then pour half the mixture into a lined baking tray. Add in 2 Kit Kat Gold bars and pour the remaining mixture on top. Then once you've smoothed that out, you can chop up another half Kit Kat block and sprinkle on top. Enjoy these effects. Refrigerate for about 4-5 hours, take out and slice, and enjoy. These are super indulgent, they are not for the faint-hearted.